Hello students, today's topic is monocot endospermic seed. Monocot endospermic seed. What is the meaning of monocot? Monocot means a single cotyledon is there, and endospermic means the endosperm is there. It means, see, endosperm is present in every seed, but endosperm may consume or may conserved. या तो एंडोस्पर्म कंज्यूम हो सकता है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट और मे रिमेन देयर, वो हो भी सकता है. सो ऑन दैट बेसिस वी हैव टू काइंड ऑफ सीड. one is endospermic seed and one is non-endospermic seed. So today we are going to discuss monocot endospermic seed, and the best example of this is maize. First of all, let's understand maize is not a seed. maize को हम seed नहीं कहते हैं. maize कभी आपने सुना है कि maize के seed? No, this is the wrong term. The right term is maize grain. maize क्या है? grain है. Now what is the difference between seed and grain? Seed is a thing which is surrounded by seed coat, and fruit is a thing which is surrounded by fruit wall. Now what is grain? In maize, suppose this is a maize which you generally, this is a maize, okay, this is the seed coat of the maize, and if you have seen, it is surrounded by a fine membrane, that is fruit wall. In maize, this fruit wall and seed coat is fused. ये आपस में fused होती है, right? So as they do not have seed coat, so they are not having a proper structure of seed. As they are not having fruit wall, so they are not having a proper structure of a fruit. So neither it is considered as a seed nor it is considered as a fruit. Okay, when you see a maize seed, मक्का का दाना जब आप देखते हो तो आप उसमें क्या देखते हो कि यहाँ एक हल्का सा ये व्हाइट सा रीजन होता है और एक ये रीजन होता है जो मैक्सिमम हमें दिखाई देता है. दिस रीजन इज एंडोस्पर्म एंड दिस रीजन इज एम्ब्रियो. नाउ इफ वी विल डू अ वर्टिकल सेक्शन और हम इतने का डायग्राम ड्रॉ करें तो डायग्राम कुछ ऐसे ड्रॉ होता है. आई विल रब दिस labeling from here. Is it visible? Okay, it is divided into two parts obliquely. This is epithelial layer. It is divided with the help of a layer. That layer is called epithelial layer, and from this diagram you can notice this part is endosperm, and in this also this part is endosperm. This lower part is embryo and this one part is embryo, right? Now it is surrounded by one more layer, and it is fused also. This is the another layer, or this is a layer of eleuron. Eleuron is a protein. This is a eleuron layer. And eleuron is a protein, right? Now, this is a 2/3 part of a seed. So we can say 2/3 part of a seed is an endosperm, and this 1/3 part of a seed is embryo. Because maximum food is stored in endosperm, that's why cotyledon is very thin. And this thin cotyledon is called scutellum. What it is called? Scutellum. Scutellum is thin cotyledon. Right? Now, they have, in upper region, they have plumule, and plumule will convert into shoot, and this plumule is surrounded by a protective layer. This protective layer is called coleoptile. Right? And in lower region, this part develop into radicle, that is, it will develop into root, and it is also surrounded by a covering that is called coleorhiza. Right? So, what is the basic structure? First of all, what you have to learn, in maize seed नहीं होता है, maize grain होता है, because seed coat and fruit wall is fused, right? And if we have a transverse section of this seed, then seed is divided into two regions. 2/3 region is covered by endosperm and 1/3 region is covered by embryo. Endosperm is the main tissue where the food is stored. In embryo region, cotyledon is very thin because most of the food is stored in endosperm. In embryo region, the upper region develops into plumule, which will develop into shoot, and it is surrounded by a protective layer that is called coleoptile. And in lower region, there is a radicle. Radicle will develop into root, and root is surrounded by a coleorhiza. So this is a very important question. What is the difference between coleoptile and coleorhiza? Coleoptile is surrounded by plumule, or it surrounds plumule, or it is a protective layer of plumule, and coleorhiza is a protective layer of radicle. Scutellum is a thin cotyledon because most of the food is stored in endosperm. Now, basically, seed is divided into three parts, or three kind of seed we can say, on the basis of kind of food they store. Number one is starch. There are certain seed, those who store starch, like wheat, rice. Okay, there are certain seeds, they store food in the form of oil, that is mustard oil, and of protein like pulses. So revise yesterday video, that is the structure of dicot seed. In next video we will discuss about germination. Thank you.